What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome back. What's good, Deontay? What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We are back on this Tuesday. Oh, man. Get the sleepies out of my eyes. Ooh, welcome back, y'all. Happy to see y'all back in the chat. Deontay in the chat. What's good, everybody? Got some news today. We got some news. We got Papa Powell speaking at 9 o'clock. Governor Bailey speaks at 9 o'clock. You know, Federal Chairman Powell testifies at 9 o'clock. So that's good. We got some good stuff coming out. Let me fix this coloring. Hold on. See if it make it a little orangier. Let's see. Got some stuff coming out, y'all. Alright, give me 1 sec. Let me make sure everything is smooth. Make sure everything is smooth. Sounds like an interesting news day. Yes. What's up, Tristan? Man, ready to get this day started. That's what's up. Ready to see what we got going on. It looked like we had a nice little run up, nice little push, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Before we even start, we're gonna get more people in here. We're gonna start this word, get this word spread to y'all guys, and then we're gonna start trading. Start charting a little bit. 20 minutes until market open though. Excuse me. 20 more minutes until market opens. Get a little bit more people in here before we get started. Before I spread this word. Let's see what we got. Let me go ahead and make sure everything is smooth. Yeah, I'm doing good. Deontay, I'm doing good. All because of God. That's why. Let me go ahead and put this to the 1 hour. Maybe even a daily. Maybe even a daily. Just have it ready. Just have this thing ready. Alright. I went back to catch up. Didn't know you've been doing this for a while. Hey, that's what I've been doing, Tristan. That's what we've been at. That's what we've been doing, trading. Live streaming Monday through Friday. From 8 to 10 or 8 to 10:30 or whatever. So yeah, that's what we do now. Alright, let's see. Got some people in here. Let's get it, man. You know, I'm not gonna hold up on this word. Let's get it. It's a quick word. Nothing too crazy. We got Isaiah chapter 27. Excuse me. Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you. Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord himself, is the rock eternal. All right, let's break this down. For you to stay in perfect peace, you have to have your mind steadfast, always trusting in him, you know? When you trust in the Lord and you continue to trust on him to old age, right? You're going to recognize that he is the eternal rock. He is the foundation of it all. So continue to keep your faith, your trust, you know, continue to put your worries, your burdens, your problems, put it on him. Let him fight the battles for you. Let the Lord fight your battles. Let him take your pain, take your situations, that the things that you have on your back or on your mind that are constantly hindering you. Give it to him. He will give you rest. He will give you peace. He says it. He's commanded that you do that for him, because he's gonna give you what you need. He's gonna fill your cup, anoint your head with oil. You know, he said he's gonna lay you beside green pastures, you know, beside quiet waters, and he will give you peace. All right? So that's Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. Make sure that you keep your mind steadfast on the Lord. When you're stressing out, give it to God. Think about God. When you're worrying about something, think about God. When you're When you're confused, give it to God. Every time. When you do this, you're gonna have peace. You want to have peace. You can't fight this battle of this world on your own. You just can't. That's why you see a lot of people. You see a lot of people in this world stressed out, you know, going through hard times. But we gotta remember to stay faithful, you know. All right. What else we have? Let's see what else we got. We got 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 16. Always be joyful and never stop praying. Continue to pray and have continued communication with God. Okay. All right, let's get into it. Let's see what we got on this daily. All right, so we do have news at 9 o'clock. We got government Bailey speaks at 9 o'clock. We have federal chairman's powers testifies at 9 o'clock. So we got some big news, and we also got consumer confidence reporting at 9 o'clock too. So we got some red folders and orange folders today. Some big news. Yes, Deontay. Market opens up in 17 more minutes. So I'm about to go ahead and start charting and see what we got on this daily. Sorry, y'all, my throat's a little. Just checking everything, making sure everything's running well. That's all. Seeing a lot of little choppiness going on. Everything plugged up. I think so. All right, let's get it. I'm gonna stop holding out. Let's get it. Let's get it. I ain't gonna hold out no more longer. All right. So look, on this daily, we on the daily right now. We are trading Apex right now. So we on the daily, right? You can see at the top. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me see if y'all can see it. Hold on. Oh, y'all can't see it. Ooh. Let me see if I can push it over for y'all so y'all can see it. Give me a second. Let me push it over for y'all. See what happens when I do this. All right. But let me see if I do this. Hold on. I'm gonna lock it. Okay, y'all can see it. Y'all can see it. Y'all can see it. Y'all can see it. Okay, so we're not bad. So look right here. We had the daily right here, right? Here's the daily. All right, this is where the time frame is at. All right. So we on this daily and we're pushing higher. We took out these highs. Today we took out the highs. I mean, well, yeah, today we took out the highs. Last night. Honestly, I thought we was going to short this market today. I honestly thought sometime in this week we was going to short and come down. But apparently, you already know the higher time frame has been long, right? This whole month has been long. So we've been going long this whole month. We haven't even found a strong correction anytime this week. The only big correction that we really had, or big retracement, was right here, right? We still got an imbalance to fill below. We still got a lot of imbalances to fill below. A lot. So we haven't filled these imbalances. So it looks like we're going to continue long and take out some more highs, right? So what I'm suggesting is either if we can break this range this week, I can see us continue to push long. But I would not want to see us continue to come back down into this range and, you know, move sideways and consolidate. That's what I don't want to see. But we do have an imbalance below. Hopefully today we can fill this imbalance below and then maybe continue to go higher. We're going to see. Once market open, we're going to see. But we did take out these highs. Okay, why is it not loading? Trading marketing stream is crazy, Deontay. All right, why is it not loading? Hey, y'all, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm just trying to fix something. Give me 1 second. Hey yo, if stream cuts out, I'm just letting y'all know I'm gonna restart it. If stream cuts out, I'm just letting y'all know I'm gonna restart it. Alright. Just letting y'all know. Alright, so there we go. We took out those highs. Now let's see if we can get a retracement back down to the lows and maybe fill that imbalance below. Right? I'm also looking at some other charts to kind of give me more confluence. I have ES up. Now you good, Deontay. Kids in the back going crazy. I want to start with a 4 hour. I'm going to go to a custom time frame, look at a 4 hour, see what we got. Alright, so on a 4 hour, we didn't get the break of structure high. We broke some highs, but we didn't get the full break high. Okay, that's cool. Alright, maybe we can have a retracement back down to these shorts. We're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see. Okay. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let me go ahead and finish charting this stuff. Give me 1 sec. I want to chart just a little bit more. Make sure that I'm not missing anything important. Alright, alright, alright. Go back down to a 1 hour on that. Alright, let's get it. So market opens up in 12 more minutes. So look, so we did tap into these highs, right? Can we get a retracement? It looks like the buyers are drying up. But we want to see a full pull down. We want to see us break some type of structure. So I'm going to drop down from a 4 hour to a 1 hour and see what else we have. We're going to keep this simple, right? We're going to keep this real simple. We're not going to, what the world? We're going to keep this real simple. We are at VWAP on a 1 hour. We're moving sideways on a 1 hour. So we are consolidating, right? We tap into some highs. Now, can we have a break of structure and break down and come back down for this imbalance? Or we're going to hold this range right here, right? Hold this range and continue to go long. We're going to see when market open. We do have a fair value gap right here. Let me go ahead and place that for y'all so y'all can see it. A little simple fair value gap right here. A little something, something right here. Bop. Nothing too crazy. Nice little fair value gap. Little box. Little volume node right here. Okay. Let me do something. Alright. Alright. So 1 hour. We have a 1 hour demand zone right here also. Give me a second. Let me place that. 1 hour demand zone right here. Right. Fair value gap right here, 1 hour demand zone right here. If we hold this level, then we might continue to go long. If we don't, we're going to break down and maybe fill this imbalance right here. I'm thinking about having a TP, first TP take right here at this high wick right here. Let me see, making sure. Yeah, I'm thinking that taking TP at this first wick, maybe up here. Let me put a line right here. Put a line just to have it. I might have to be right back, y'all. I gotta go check on something. First TP might be right here. Make this red. Make this actually a different color so it can be like an alert. Bop, make that red. Make that red. Only if we have that breakdown. If we have that breakdown, we come down and find some imbalance below, then that'd be nice. But I've seen us took out the high. We took out some highs. Either we're going to continue to go high or we're going to break down. So once market open, we're going to kind of get more confirmation on where this market going to go. I don't really see any big zones besides this big old. Ooh, wait a minute. We do got a fair value gap right here too, but that's not a 1 hour though. Let me see something. Hold up. Wait a minute. That is a 1 hour right here. One hour. So you got right here. Market opens up in 9 more minutes. Hey, yo, I might be right back, y'all. I'll be right back. I gotta go do something real quick. Hey, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Hey, talk amongst yourselves. I'll be right back. Be right back. If anything happens, I'm cutting the. I'm gonna redo it. If the stream cuts out, I'm gonna redo it. But I'll be right back. Talk amongst yourselves. I'll be right back. Market is open. Right on time. Amazing. Market is open. Let's go. You know, let's go. See what we got. We are moving sideways though. We in this range. Got a 15 minute. Got a 15 minute. See if we can break some highs. I want to see us break some lows or some highs and see where we're gonna go. That's all I'm waiting on. Welcome everybody in the chat. Welcome back. All right, let's see. What are we doing? Are we breaking lower? Are we getting underneath this fair value gap? Let's see. Go down to a 5 minute. Pushing higher. We are in this range, but I'm just trying to see if we're gonna break this range and get out of it. We're gonna tap into it. We have a 1 hour demand below. Just want to see us come down maybe a little bit and bounce, or we're gonna continue to go long at this line right here. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Looks like we're pushing high. Well, we're pushing big time. Big time push. Big time push. We're gonna see though. Market open. We ain't about to. I'm gonna rush this trade. As soon as I get breaker structure, I'm taking it. Nice push, nice push, nice push. That's cute. That's cute. It's just, yeah. Who wants to get faked out? Not I. I know I don't. I wouldn't want to get faked out. Remember, we got news at 9 o'clock, so we gotta be careful. This market can move range bound to that time frame. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be very careful. We are sideways. Look at the wicks. We got so many wicks on both sides, so we gotta be careful right here. All right, I might take a short. We might see. Take out these lows. I'm gonna go in one short. I'm in one. I'm gonna put my stop above this low, this high right here. And I'm gonna take first TP at 247. 247, 247, 247. Where you at? Right there, Bob. For one limit. I just want to gauge this market before I add more. Wow, big push, big push, big push. See if we can get that dump. See if we can get that dump. Market is sideways. That's why I ain't going too heavy. Was this my stop? Hold up. Did I put a stop? No, I need to put one stop. Hold on. One buy stop. I didn't know my buy stops were blue. Wait a minute. Interesting. We didn't really take it out though. Deontay, we in this range. We in this range. You know? Might push. There we go. Pick on that push. I might exit out of this if we get that full push. Push my stop a little higher. Give myself some room on this. Yeah, we pushing. All right, I'm gonna get out of this. I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut that as a loss. There we go. Market is choppy. Market is sideways. I want to be careful right here. Make sure I'm not getting faked out. We are ranging though. Cap at 3337. We are ranging. Got out before it hit my stop. All right, can we have that retracement back down to the lows, or are we gonna go push into a higher time frame? I mean, into a supply zone. Hey, Myra. Hey, what's up? Oh, we doing good. Thanks for asking. Man, this market here. What? Where does it want to go? Think we want to go long? Let's try long. Let's try long. Put my stop right here at the lows. Sell stop. And I'm gonna put a buy stop at 322. 322. That's perfect right here. I mean a sell limit, my bad. See if we can get that continued push, a continuation up to the longs. There we go. See, I might add more right here. Lagged out. Man, this market is not giving. We are in range, so I should be I should have just waited until we got out this range before I took this trade. Now we're rejecting. Amazing. Amazing. I would like to see us push. If not, then might just have to accept this as a L. Big rejection. Give myself some room on this stop. Let's see if we can push. Oh damn, the braids are going. I gotta get them redone, bro. I gotta get them redone. I had to get them redone. What we doing right here, coach? Might add more right here. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. I wanna take out 5 right here. Sell 5 right there. Yo, what's going on? Why so laggy? Why so laggy? Why so laggy? Why so laggy? Oh no, I don't like that. Let's get that push. Come on, let's get that push. I'm trying to take out at that level, that 2-2-3-2-1 level. I just want to get that push. Come on. Be nice, be nice. Be nice, please. Be nice. Can you be nice? Can you please be nice and push to my limit order, please? Pretty please. We in 6 longs. I'm trying to get that push. Please. Hit my limit order, please. I beg of you. Just one push. Please. I'm trying to get this one underneath it. There you go, got it. And push that to the highs. See if we can tap out. Come on, let's get it. Come on. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. You can do it. All right, I'm gonna bring my stop to break even on this trade. So this is a risk-free trade. Got my stop at break even, right? We kept rejecting at this fair value. I mean, not this fair. Yeah, this fair value gap. Also with the VWAP, we got these lows. We can't even take them. We haven't even took them out. That's why I saw the loans coming in. We didn't even take this out. Also right here, I could have went heavier, but man, this market's a little wonky. Look at that, right? Look at this line. We could not take this out. We just kept coming back down, but we didn't take it out. So what happens? You reject and you go the opposite way. That's what happens. Now we push into a fair value gap right now. I think it's on the 15-minute. Fair value gap on the 15-minute. See if we can go higher. I got one runner right now. We have one runner. Volume's looking good. I like the volume. Volume's looking really, really good. Come on, computer. And we're trading Apex, by the way. I would say the Braves are gone. Gone. Get them out of here, coach. We had a nice little bounce. All right, we still continue to push higher, which is good. See what happens right here, because we are pushing into a fair value gap. We're gonna see. Can we push through that fair value gap? We're gonna see. Or we're gonna reject right here, which I would not want to see. I don't want to see no rejection. Uh-oh. I don't want to see no rejection. All right. I think we can push a little bit more. Let's see. I think we can push a little bit more. Can we? Can we get a push? Come on. Give us a push. 15-minute on a... Oh, we got news in 15 minutes too, by the way. News in 15 minutes. News in 15 minutes. You know what I'm going to do? What I'm going to do is I might take out of this. I might get out of this and wait till Papa Powell speak. Honestly. I might wait till Mr. Powell speak. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out of this. right here. All right, we out of it. We out of it. Y'all like my new fill sound? Y'all like my new fill order sound? Y'all be hearing it, right? I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Let y'all hear it. Prefaces. Dang, it gets a little hot. Y'all like this sound right here? Tell me if I like that. So clean. And then when I get stopped out, that's the stop out and that's the fill. Yeah, let's get it. You can do that on Apex. You can customize sounds and stuff. How cute. All right. All right, so we are pushing a little higher. We up 170. That's not too bad. I like that. Pretty good number. I was afraid to go heavier because you know, market's a little aggressive. It's a little aggressive. See what happened right here. We got news in like 13 more minutes. And this is big news. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be careful. Cause you can start chopping up. Why would I get out? Cause look at this. Look right here. The reason why I was gonna get out is because of this. We're not even, we didn't even really break this. I was afraid that since we didn't close above this high, we was gonna drop back down. Something crazy like that, you know what I'm saying? So the reason why I got out, cause one, we was going into a 15 minute. I'm gonna show you, 15 minute. You get nervous, you know, you can get a little nervous when you run into stuff like this. You don't want a big old sell-off happening out of nowhere, right? You gotta be careful. You know, could have had a sell-off right here. Hold up. Bro, that's blowing me. Right here. Like a little 15 minute right here. So us having that 15 minute right there, that 15 minute fair value you got, right? 15 minute, and also we didn't get the break. This break of the high, I was afraid that we was gonna drop back down. So I got out early to make sure that I preserve profits. Just in case we have some big old crazy drop. You know. Just in case we have some crazy little drop. But let me get rid of that. Nice little push though. I ain't gonna lie, that was a nice push. Let me get rid of this. Nice push, nice push, nice push. So we couldn't break. And you're like, why also would you go long? You know? Why also would you go long? I'm gonna look at a 1 hour and I'm gonna show you. What's happening right here on the 1 hour? Right? Oh shoot. Well. Dang. Well, the thing is about this, you can't go back. Right? What's happening on the 1 hour? Let's look at it. On the 1 hour, we're moving up. Bro, come on, bro. On the 1 hour, we're moving up, right? You see us, the candles are moving up. And guess what else we are doing? Also, we're stacking. Look at this. Look how we're stacking. Thank you. We're also stacking, which is one of my things I like. I love this. You see the stacking? One of my favorite things. We're stacking right across. Right? Another confirmation for longs. And we might shoot back down. We're gonna see. But that's just a quick scout. Also, we're stacking up here too, so that's a big one too. So we gotta be mindful of this. Also, we got a 1 hour below. I would love to see us come back down into this level. I would love to see us come down into this level. So let me go back down to like a 15 minute or a 15 minute or a 5 minute. But usually a 1 hour goes confluence with a 5 minute. So rejection off the fair value gap. Also, we didn't tap into that 15-minute supply zone that was above too. We got a lot of liquidity below. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Market, we still got news at 10 minutes. 10 minutes of news. So we gotta be mindful of that. We got Papa Powell speaking. We got Chairman Bailey speaking. When he speaks, bro, that market be moving. When Bailey speaks, bro, my goodness, the market be dropping. We're gonna see though. Get rid of that. Just less distractions, the better. Fair value gap. We're gonna wait. News come out. Here come that drop. Got bracket orders. Got bracket orders. So we just waiting for that news. You know, we got Powell speaking. We have Governor Bailey speaks at 9. Fed Chair speaks at 9, and also Consumer Confidence Report. Richmond Manufacturing Index. Also, we got some big stuff coming out. Oh, big drop too. Big drop, big drop, big drop, big drop. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see if this is a continuation though. Big old drop. We're gonna see. We are extended high. Can these shorts play in? I would like to see these shorts play in, y'all. I would love to see it. I think they can. We gonna see. We got 7 minutes until it prints, though. Every time frame is gonna print in 7 minutes. Every time frame is gonna print in 7 minutes. Now you know what that means. Unless we consolidate, you know. I don't want to consolidate because we did have a big move earlier. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We are in this range. Okay. My boy Random in the chat. We got Deontay in the chat. Tristan maybe in the chat. Amira in the chat. And others. So we're gonna see. Big news at 9 o'clock. Time frames print at 9 o'clock. If you're trading this right now, you're in the range. You're literally trading the range before the news. So good luck. If you caught that quick scalp in the morning, what I just did, that was a good trade. Quick little trade. Just waiting on news. Just waiting on news. Tristan. What's up, Tristan? You trading, man? Let me know in the chat. You trading? Oh, you just chilling? Like Deontay. You just be chilling. What you back with? Luck is the operative word. Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay. Back with another. Back with another L. Oh, yeah, man. Hey, just stick around, keep watching. If you do, that's good. If you don't, then it is what it is. Also, y'all know I love y'all this much. Before this news come out, we got 5 minutes. Why not? Why not? Why not? Right? Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. You will keep in perfect peace. You need perfect peace, you know. Sometimes our minds are always running rampant, always in all kind of places. We always thinking about situations, having problems on our backs, things on our minds that just keeps us cluttered and just not focused. We yearn for peace, right? You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast because you trust in him. Trust in the Lord. He gives you perfect peace. He is the Prince of Peace. Trust in the Lord. For the Lord himself is the rock eternal. He is the eternal rock. He is the foundation of it all, right? So trust in him. He is perfect peace. Okay? Take your burdens, take your worries, take your cares, take your situations, take your anxiety, take your constant thoughts on negativity, everything that overwhelms you and keeps you down. Give it to him. He will give you rest. Don't fight these battles by yourself. Let him fight the battles for you. Okay? Remember, this is a spiritual battle. We don't wrestle against flesh and blood. We wrestle against the powers and principalities of the dark world. God is peace. Right? People may not be peace. I mean, people in this world may not be peace. Look at the road. You on the road and you be driving and it's annoying. But look at the trees, the birds, the sky. It's nothing but peace. Look at the one who created it. Don't look to man. Man can't give you peace. And also, we have 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 16. Always be joyful. Never stop praying. Always pray to him. Have continual communication with God. You will get to know him more. You will have clearer understanding. You will have you have a peaceful mind, wisdom, discernment, understanding, peace, love. You will have blessings. He will bless you with spiritual gifts. Talk to God. You never know what your spiritual gift may be. Like, I don't know. Sometimes I'm still I'm still walking through this walk with him, this journey with him, and I'm still trying to figure out what's my spiritual blessing. What is my spiritual gifts? What's my spiritual gifts that I can be blessed with? I'm still looking for it, still trying to understand it. So can you. You have your own spiritual blessings and gifts. Seek him. He said, he who asks will receive. He who seeks will find. And he who knocks at the door will be open to them. Right? You keep asking God for things, keep talking to God about things, you will receive it. You will receive your answer, you will receive your blessings, you will receive your peace. You keep on seeking, you will find. You can't faith without work is dead. You can have faith all day, but without work is dead. Right? That's like saying I'm gonna be a millionaire and sit in this chair. I'm gonna be in a millionaire and sit in this chair all day. And guess what? I'm not gonna be a millionaire because I have faith in thoughts I'm gonna be a millionaire, but I gotta have the action. You have to have faith, right? Have faith and also do the work. Do the good work. Walk the good walk with God and everything's gonna work out. All right, let's get to it. News about to come out in 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. 2 more. We're gonna see what happens right here, though. We're dropping. All right, everything's about to print in 30 seconds. Everything's about to print in 30 seconds. ES is dropping down too. Thanks for the words, brother. This world will try to break those not rooted in the word. God bless you and your family. God bless you too. Thank you, bro. God bless you. Yeah, this world is cutthroat. This world is really wicked. And everybody's out for themselves. It may seem like everybody's smiling in your face, but everybody's going through something. And everybody's out for themselves. So we got to give it to the man above every time. This world is really cutthroat. But you got to love your neighbors, Jesus died on the cross to the ones that slandered him, cut him, beat him, and he still loved them. Man, who is powerful like that, is willing to take a beating for people that hate him? Man. Gotta be like Christ. Because when he says that when it's time for your blessing, oh, nobody can't snatch that away. Here we go, whipping up and down. Look at this market, y'all. This market about to get crazy. Wow. All right. Ooh, we are whipping up and down, bro. Yeah, I think we're gonna go short though. I don't know why, but I have a feeling the shorts might play out. I'm gonna cut down. I'm gonna drop down to a. Oh man, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I think we might go long. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Ooh, this is tough. Are we rejecting right here? I wonder if we're rejecting right here. We're pushing. 15 minute. I'm gonna take a long. I'm gonna take a long. Put a stop below the lows. Sell stop. I just want to see what happens right here. I want to take TP at first TP if we don't break down. First TP at 337. 337. Where are you, 337? If we don't break this level, we might break. Well, we are below though, so we gotta see. I might be into something that might mess me up. 337. Sell limit. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Uh-oh. Are we getting that rejection? ES is underneath that though. Uh-oh. It's getting shaky out here. Oh no. Oh no. I hope not. Uh-oh. It's about to get shaky. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this. I'm out of this. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I take the loss on that. I take the loss on that. I didn't like it. I don't like how it's looking. It's looking heavy. Nah, I might push. Look. It's looking heavy. Oh, this is a tight range. Wow. I'm trying to see, y'all. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see. Because we either going to take these out and go lower, or we're going to pump into that 15 minute above. I don't know. We're going to see. This is tough. They're trying to make a decision right now. Ooh, I had to get out of this. It's too rangy. I had to get out of this. This one is tough. Tough, tough, tough. We're gonna see in a minute. I wanted to get out of this because it was getting a little aggressive. It was getting a little too aggressive. Just in case it drops on us. We got this liquidity below though. Look at a 5,000 tick chart. Alright. We're trying to push down, but it looks like we're rejecting and going higher. Are we going higher? I don't know. I think we might go higher. Yeah, I think we might go higher. I'm gonna add one right here. I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna get back into it and put a stop, a tight stop this time. I'm taking my TP at 37. I just want to see. I want to see this is gonna play out. I want to see if this is gonna play out. Trading marketing getting tough. Yes, it is. It's getting a little rough out here. We got 30 seconds on that. Oh, wait a minute. 5-minute closes in 10 seconds. Oh, this might be tough for me. Woo! Wait a minute. We're gonna see. It's tricky, yo. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not gonna lie. This market is tricky. It's not meant for us to figure out. They want to take out as many people as they can. Might add more. Might, just might. Ooh, this is a tough one. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's tough because look how we are. Look, we came up with the wicks, and then look how the wicks are coming down. I want to see these wicks break. I gotta see these wicks break. Oh yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. Come on, hold that level. Hold that level. Hold that level. I'm waiting for this 5 minutes to kind of drop down a little bit and shoot back up. If it don't, then you know what's up. Ah, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. Don't you do that. We're gonna see. Boy, this is one heck of a market. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. All right, let's see. What can I put like a little razzle dazzle on this? Let's see. I'm gonna put a line. Okay. Bop. There we go. Change the color of this. See if we can get that full push. I want to see us push into that level. I like to see us hold this level and push. Try to see if I'm not missing anything important. Because we didn't take out that swing high. Wait, hold up. Let me look at a 4 hour. Yeah. Ooh. Sellers keep getting absorbed. What does that mean? Sellers keep getting absorbed. What does that mean? Are we going short or are we going to go higher? Because it looks like it wants to stay. Man, this level is tough. This level is tough. Why did I even get in this level? This level is tough, y'all. Oh my goodness. What? We froze? What happened? We just freeze? Oh, okay. I'm about to say what happened. Nah, you're not seeing no emotion. You're just seeing impatience. I got a nice little support trend, just a little trend line, just to see if we can hold this level. You know, we didn't break once, we didn't break twice, we didn't break 3 times. Can we continue to go higher? Maybe tap into some more liquidity and then maybe reject. But I don't want to see us reject right here. I mean, the market do what it want though. It's a tough spot. Just going to be honest, it's a tough spot. Y'all know what time it is. I gotta get out of this. I think these shows are about to play out. I'm getting out of this. I think these shorts are about to play out. I think they're giving in. Uh-oh. They're about to come in. Let me add. Oh, my goodness. Let me get into one. I think, man, they about to get crazy. I might get into one short. I want to get more confirmation before I get into it. We got 30 seconds on the 5 minute. Once it's 5 minute prints, I definitely can make sure. Man, this is. Oh, I think a big play is at hand. Let's go. ES is underneath that zone. I like that. But also, it tapped to that 1 hour though. Man, I don't like that. I don't like that, coach. I don't like that, coach. We're not breaking that thing. We're not breaking that high. We were absorbed again. Had a feeling them shorts were about to come in heavy. I had to get out quick. 5 minutes just printed. 15 minutes moving sideways. What are we doing right here? This might be a range bound day. I don't know if the news, or I don't know if they speaking about something. I don't know if anything is coming out. Anything crazy has been said. I just don't know. I really don't know. I don't know. I just see us in this rank. Rejection. Big green candle rejection. I gotta get more confirmation. I need to get more confirmation. Shorts might come in. Bigger wick, but we did break the structure. Okay, we did have to break though. That's the catch. We had to break. Right? We had to break. Big rejection. Candle got below that candle. Okay, so 1 hour. Hold up. 1 hour. Got underneath, but we didn't break. Well, we did. I can say we did. We in range, man. This is a tight range. Big old range, y'all. And we didn't break again. This is what I'm talking about. Right here is what I want to see. What are we going to do right here? Are we going to break? We are getting shorter. Wicks are forming down. Wicks are forming down. We had a rejection at that 15-minute fair value gap. Tough. This is a tough spot. We are in range, so it's get off hands. I mean, it's sit on hands. My bad. Sit on hands. Right? Sit on hands. Because we didn't break high, nor did we break low. We didn't break this low. We didn't break this high. Right? We're still in this range. Trying to see. What are we doing, coach? What's the move? What's the move? Are we going to go higher? Or are we going to go shorter? We already extended. We're so extended. Man, this look, I don't know. It looks short. Be honest with y'all, it looks short. But then it's going long. Tricky market. It's trying to trap. It's trying to trap. Gotta be patient. Market trying to trap us. Alright. A lot of wicks. Look at these wicks. Rejection. What are we doing? What are we doing right here? Are we trying to break this? Are we not trying to break this? Are we trying to go short? Are we not going short? What are we doing? Huh? I think we're going short. But at what cost? What cost? At what cost are we going short? I think I'm seeing the shorts, y'all. Bouncing, then the longs might come in. Man, big rejection. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. It's a tough spot. We're between two zones. A 1 hour fair value gap, some highs that we took out already, and a daily fair value gap, right? We're gonna see. Or we're gonna reverse. We took out these highs, right? So look, let's look at it. Let's look at this. Let's go to a 4 hour and look at this. So I might, if you need in the chat, tell me your bias, let me know. But look, jump into a 4 hour. We're gonna, if it loads, I would like for you to load, please. Come on now. All right, so look, we took out this high, right? Took it out, but we swept the high, but we didn't close above the high. Could we have a retracement? Yes, we could. Let's go back down into a 1 hour. Let's go down to a 1 hour. All right, 1 hour. broke the highs, try to come back down to a retracement, but we're staying above the VWAP this high, and we're this fair value gap. So we're literally in this range. Either we're gonna break this range and go short and take out some more liquidity, or we're gonna continue to hold this level and go higher. To me, it's looking, I don't know, it looks short. It looks short. It's like every time we try to come back down, we jump. We come back down, we I don't know. We're gonna see. But it looks like it might come up to this 15 minute. We got a 15 minute right here. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. 15 minute. How tall are you? I'm 5'9". We got a 15 minute right here. 15 minute demand zone. I mean 15 minute supply zone, right? 15 minute supply. We tap into some liquidity right here, some fair value gap, some low volume nodes right here. Can we reject this and come down, or are we gonna respect this and go up? We in range. We haven't broken high, nor have we broken lower, so we gonna see. But all I know is if we don't get a break of structure, I'm not taking a trade. Why I'm not taking a trade? Because if you don't get break of structure, you don't get confirmation. Yeah. Tough. It's a tough market, y'all. Tough market. Everybody wants this imbalance. The market is saying everybody wants this imbalance. Everybody wants the shorts. Everybody wants the shorts, right? At what price? At what cost? What is it going to take? What is it going to take for these shorts to come in? Tricky market, y'all. Tricky market. I'm just trying to get more confirmation that longs coming in, going for that 15 minute above. I'm gonna wait for it. Yo, come on, now. Why you doing me like this, yo? Bouncing off that VWAP. Constantly rejecting right here at this candle right here for the longs. 15 minute above our heads. Maybe go take out that liquidity above and then reject. We're gonna see. Let's do it. Let's go for that long. Stop below. Take TP at 3.7 like I initially said I was gonna do. Right here. Limit. Can we take that out? Or we're gonna inject again at this 15 minute. Can we take this out? Dang, that's a tough area, y'all. That's a tough area for me. It's just why, like, I'm trying to scalp this market. I'm really trying to scalp this market. Trying to see if we can continue long. It's a tough one. I must admit. Is my thing stopped? Wait, what's going on? There we go. Yeah. Can we hold this level? Didn't get the break on that 5. 15-minute. I might as well add right here. Whoa, why was that so wonky? Can we take our 10 right here? I want to see us push. I would like to see us push into that 15-minute. I don't want to see us reject right here. I don't want to see us reject right here. Nah, don't reject right here, please. Ah. See if we can hold this level. See if we can hold this level. Come on. Ah, I don't like that. I don't like that candle. But we're going to see. We're going to see. Can we push into this 15-minute? That's the question. Can we push into this 15-minute? I would like to see us push. I don't like that candle. I really don't like that candle. I don't like how it looks. But we're gonna just hold it. Big wick. You're doing great. Hey, I'm trying. It's tough. It's tough. Ah, it's so tough, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's a tough market. I'm trying to get a trade in. A quick little scout. Give us that push. I'm trying to take out these highs right here. See if we can push back into this fair value gap. Tricky. I gotta show no emotion. I gotta accept the probability of it going whatever which way it wants to go. I don't like that. I don't like that. We rejected once, rejected twice, rejected 3 times, rejected 4 times. Got the build up, VWAP, stand above. Why are we not taking this out? What would be my reason why we're not taking this out right now? Right? What would be my reason? I just want to see us take that level out. That's all. Chop fest. Don't like it. Don't like it. Come on, build up. Rejection so quick. It be so quick to reject. It's ugly. I don't like that. Come on. Push, push. Can we get that push into that 15-minute? Can we get that push? Come on. Come on. Boy, this market is giving, boy. This market is here. Jeez, this market is not trying to give it. Not trying to give it. Not trying to give it. Tough, tough, tough. Gotta be careful right here. I really don't like that spot. Let me look at a different time frame. All right. Come on. Come on. Hold that level, please. Hold that level. Hold that level, please. Hold that level, please. I don't like that 5-minute. That 5-minute really crazy. Come on. Hold that level. Let's go. Push, push, push. Take out that 15. Come on, take out that 15. We're in a tough spot, but we're gonna see. Come on, take it out. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Push. Push, push, push. I gotta be right back, y'all. Oh, man. Wow, this is a tough spot for him, huh? Wait, how much on that 15? 3 minutes? Wow. No way this area is this hard to even. Don't reject that. Please don't reject that. Don't reject that, please. Please don't reject that. Hold it. Hold that level, please. Please, come on. Stop playing with me right here. It is what it is. Thank you, Deontay. Thank you, man. I'm trying my best. I probably got in too late, and it might have a. We're gonna see. Big. Oh, I don't like that spot. I really don't like that spot. Ooh. This spot is tough. Oh my goodness. This spot is tough. Oh my goodness, boy. I'm trying to be faithful to the trade. My kids are going crazy. Hey, I'll be right back. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. Just let me know what happens, all right? I'm gonna keep a top stop of 10 right here. Just let me know what happens right here, all right? Keep a tight stop. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go check on them. I'm gonna go check on them. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, no. Oh, no. No! All right, it took me out. I'll be right back. I'm gonna make sure they're okay. That's annoying, bro. That's annoying, bro. And don't do no crazy pump, too. Well, they're okay. I guess they're quiet. Bruh, why you do this? Yo, why you not loading? Oh. Got a little lip skin. Come on. Okay, my screen is not loading. What's going on? What are you doing? Oh, snap. There we go. What are you doing? Hey, yo, I'll be right back. Be right back. my leg. All right, let's see where we at. Where are we? Oh, okay. Still in this? Man, this little chop monster right here is something, boy. Surprised we lagging like this. Just might as well add to it. All right, I got max contracts in there. Risk an account. 19. See, oh, we're not gonna hold this level. Can we? I gotta be careful right here. Real careful right here. See if you can hold this level. Man. 20. Oh, they're not showing me that level. Let's get that push. Come on. Big projection on that 5 minute, 15 minute. See if we can get that push all the way up to that 15. Wow. Tough spot. Let's go. Tough spot. I have to be careful right here. There's a tough spot. Risky. Bruh, it's like all day. Bro, what? Bro, get us out of this range, bro. I don't want to trade this all day. I'm telling you, if we get the break in, I might get off for the day, bro, until I see a big move for later. Oh my goodness. Come on. You can't push. Come on. You got this. Let's go. Have faith. We got this. Have faith. Come on, let's go. I think I sized a little too heavy, but it's all good though. We just gotta we just hold on to what we got. It is what it is. I took the trade because I was willing to. I accepted the risk and I liked the trade. Can they push into that 15 minute? I just want to see us push right here. Take out this high. Nope, not that. Yeah, that. Sell, limit, buy right here. And that's that. That's all I want to see. Uh oh, it's about to get aggressive right here. I'm gonna take out partials right here. I'm out of partials. I just can't accept this aggressiveness. I'm looking at this footprint and it just looks too aggressive for me. We got the losses back. Now we're frozen. Man, this market here, boy. Yeah. You're not supposed to be showing no emotion, but the fact that it dribbled like that. And look, 15 minutes just printed, right? I mean, the 5 minutes just printed, right? And look what happened. It never fails, bro. It do that. It always does that craziness. Well, we did okay. I mean, at least we doing all right. We made our losses back. Market trying to trap us up, trick us up, right? A lot of people getting chopped up today. It could be a choppy day, and I have to accept that. No, I ain't got no more water. I'll be right back. Just hang tight. Just watch this trade for me. What a chop fest. What a chop fest. Man. Volume is low though. We are below that average volume. So see right here, we are below the average, the median. So we're gonna see. It might look pull back down. Ay, boy, this market here is no fun, no bueno. Come on, you gotta push. This is definitely a push. What you doing? What are you doing? I'm gonna make a tight stop. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. Right here. Tight stop. We see right here the market couldn't break. Yeah, I'm actually trading Apex. That's why I'm trading Apex. Like, I've been trading Top Step a lot. And I've been having this PA for so long, it's just been sitting here. And I forgot about it. Well, I ain't forget about it, I just forget to trade it. And there it is. But I'm gonna get another Top Step account. I just been, I do other stuff and I just be forgetting to get on everything. You got live accounts, you got so many prop accounts, you just forget. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The reason why I got out of that is because one, that 5-minute close, right? It closed at the high, but at the same time, it still closed below these wicks. Instant rejection on the next candle. Just expect that candle to just reject. I ain't saying it's gonna always happen, but you see what happens. So when I seen that candle print, that's why I got out. I was like, I'm not gonna get out because I got scared. I got out because I didn't see the continuation of with enough volume. So I was like, okay, this candle's about to close. Let me get out the trade before it turns on me or something. If I didn't would have got out, look where I would have been at. Yeah, I don't have time for that. It's risky. It's risky. One candle would reverse. One candle all the time, bro. This candle, especially in a choppy market. If you in a choppy market, expect a reversal all the time. It's like it's guaranteed to reverse. But we're gonna see. I wanted to see us take out this high right here, man. I'm surprised we didn't even get to it. What's happening right here? Oh boy, this market is Trump era, but yes, it is. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Biden era, it used to just trend, and you can have hold of your position. Facts, bro. Them positions would be crazy back then, bro. Nowadays, it seems like just any little small little cry, everything's done. Look at yeah. Look at this 15-minute. We probably can hold this level. Let's see. And why does it reset like that? I mean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, let's hold this level, boys. Let's do it. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, hold. There we go. Hold this level. Let me see if we can get that break. Shoot, might add back in. Huh. Try to do me dirty. Tuh. Alright, hold up. 1 second, y'all. 1 second. Pop. Ooh, we in between the line. That's tough. That's tough. Is it raining? No, it's not raining. Oh my goodness, this is a tough range. I might add into this. I'm gonna add lightly. Dang, we already took off. Might as well. See if we can get that pop once again that we was looking for before they try to take us out. Let's see if I can move this up a little bit. This one, maybe to the tippy top. Bro, this market is bound to make your nerves bad. Come on, let's push it to that 15 minute. Let's push, let's push, let's push. 15-minute push, come on. We there, we almost there, literally. We almost at the 15-minute. We like, let's go! Back at what we had before. Man, this market was trying to trap us out, man. All them traps trying to set us up. Trying to set us up. So when we tab it, look at the rejection. Man. Good job, y'all. Good job, team. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. So why did I take the long? Did I gamble? Of course not. I use educated probability. I just use my thoughts. But look, this is what I saw. So I see that we're breaking this trend line. Let me see. I'm gonna get the regression real quick. Regression channel. Bop. Got the regression channel. Hold up. Put it up here. Hold on. Get out of here. Come on, bro. Why you doing me like this? Why is it not moving? Like, seriously? Yo, what's going on? I don't know what's up with this regression channel, but I'm about to move it. Hold on, let me get rid of it. It's tripping out. It's spazzing out. I was gonna go heavier, but just in case it would have did like a crazy drop, I don't need that. Let me just do a trend line. Let me just do that. I think the trend line is so much easier. For some reason, trend channel. Trend channel. Let's see what happens right here. Trend channel. Let's see what happens right here. All right. Bro, what is up with this? What is up with this? What are you doing? There we go. All right, and I'm gonna pull it down from here. It's been a minute. It's gonna take me a minute. Take me a minute. Come on. Bro, there we go. There we go. There we go. All right, hold up. Put it down some. Put it down some. Why does it do that? Why does it have to expand when I already shoved it down? Come on, dude. What are you doing? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Have to shift this down. Pull this up. Yo, you trip. You bugging. So look, yeah, there you go. The channel. Let me change the color so y'all can see a lot cleaner. Bop. Make that white. Bop. Make that gray. Bop. Apply it. All right, there we go. So see, on the channel, it broke that resistance, right? So I was waiting for that break. And what happened? We had the retracement, the pullback up, and then we just kept going. So I just wanted to make sure, since we didn't get this break of structure up here, if we was gonna close on that next candle. I was hoping that this candle didn't just drop down on us and invalidate this little trend line. But since we bounced off of it, used resistance turn support, this next black candle stopped above, right? And that was my confirmation to go long. That was my confirmation to go long since we broke that trend line. This is literally the simplest type of trading. Support and resistance. I mean, yeah, support and resistance. Y'all know that. Y'all been knowing that probably since the beginning of time. Support and resistance trading. Right? Are we in that 15 minute? But we didn't get it for ES though. Support and resistance. There we go. See? Show y'all again. Right here in just a minute. Actually, let me pull this up a little bit. Let me pull this up a little bit. Pull this up a little bit. Right there, right there. Bring this down some. Right here. All right, right there. Bro, this thing's spazzing out, bro. Okay, I'm getting rid of it. You're gone. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're out of here. You're just, bro. That's not it, bro. You're doing the most. But y'all see, we had the trend break, and we had the stack, and that was confirmation for the longs. Dang, bro. Now, can we go out and take out this high, or are we gonna reject this 15 minute? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Ugh. I want to see us hold this level. A lot of retracement coming down with that 15 minute though. 15 minute getting that retracement. We don't need that. We don't need those problems. We don't need those problems, coach. Can we hold this level? Can we hold this level and continue to take out some more liquidity above? Or are we going to drop? I'm going to get out this trade. I'm done. I'm done. Even if it pops back up, it just... Now, if we are above this fair value gap, though, we're above this. If we can stay above this, then that would be nice for the longs, but... that 182 was hard. This was wild to see in real time. Hey, it gets like that. It gets like that. It gets now. Look, today was just one of those days. You got Trump speaking, you got Powell speaking, you got Bailey speaking, you got consumer report. You got a decent amount of stuff that's chopping this market up. This market is choppy right now. Any other given day, bro, any other given day, you getting nice little smooth moves like this. Like you getting moves that are so easy. Get a nice little drop, get a little bounce, get a little sideways, get a little bounce. Right? That's probably from last night. Nice little build up, respect, get a build up, and then shoot up. You know, you get stuff like this. But then you get these type of days. Like this. Wick. You get days like this, and that'd be the annoying. That'd be the annoying. We have respect. Look at this trend line. We respect it. We try to break once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and we couldn't do it. As we're stacking candle-wise, we're going up higher, even with the wicks, because the market is getting aggressively. Now, I could have held this, but at what cost? Just for another wick to come back down and do this? Why would I wanna risk a lot more profit off this? For what? Right? Let's fine-tune that a little bit. See? Nice build up on the candles. The wicks kept rejecting, kept bouncing. If we didn't get a close below, we're not going down. Since we kept going higher, we're going longer. Now look what I told you. See what happens? People thought the longs were going to come in, and what happened? The shorts come right back in. We're tapping into a 15-minute supply zone, so I'm expecting a short maybe. I'm expecting a short. Now we could hold this level. This might be a close range to hold this level, see a close, and then go long. But at what cost? We're so extended, and we're so wicky and so rangy. What's the point of even risking high? What's the probability? Right? We feel this imbalance. What's the point? Interesting status report. This is it. This was a tricky trade. I traded a lot. I think I took a lot of emotional trades, but it was hard for me to hold. This is the thing. It was hard for me to hold these trades. It was hard to hold these trades, especially this one. It was hard to hold this trade. It was hard to hold this one. Now, when we got this build up and this candle close right here, instant. Look at this. All right, we got the close above. Can we hold this? Right? Can we hold this and go back longer? Okay, we'll see. We'll see if we can hold this. But at what cost? Wick really, man, that wick was crazy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That wick right there just made my nerves bad. Cause that's when I went heavier. I should have waited. When I went more, I should have waited for the next rig, the black candle to close and then go long. You see what I'm saying? I really feel sorry for new traders. Learn how to trade in these conditions. This is what's gonna make the best traders. You're not learning 2020 trading market. Let me show you what 2020 and 20. Let me show you those markets real quick. Let me show you those markets. Let me see if I can find a custom range. Let me look at a custom time frame. Let's do a Hey Siri, how many minutes is a week? All right. 10,000. Let's do it. 10,000 range. Let's do it. Let's see what we get. All right. I'm in a 10,000 minute chart, right? We in a 10,000. Let's go back. Let's go back to the back in the day. Let's see if I can go back. If I have that, even have that depth. Well, no, I don't. I don't. Well, I actually don't. But just for example, when you have conditions like this, when everything is just fluid, that's good. You got stuff like this, and you might have a little basing out and then a rejection. You might have a little come back down, reject, reject, shoot back up, reject, reject, shoot back down, reject, reject, shoot back up. Like, it's common sense. But then you get to days like this, weeks like this, like when you're getting faked out. It's like no continuation. You get this long period of consolidation with no true breakout. And then you finally get it, right? Or you might get this right here. You might go into a daily, right? Let's go into an hour, I'm sorry. Go into an hour and you get in sideways. No volume, just sideways. We're just sideways. What I mean by sideways is we're not breaking higher, we're not breaking lower. We're not breaking higher. We're not breaking lower. We're just moving sideways. Block, block, block. See that? That's tough. That's tough. This is one of those days you got to really just see money, take money. Dropping down to a 15-minute, right? Exactly. Yeah. Everybody see, look, for example. All right, let me drop back down to a 5-minute, right? Now this might pump back up. See how we hitting this supply right here? Are we gonna hold the supply or are we gonna break it? I mean, are we gonna hold it or are we gonna retrace? We're between the zone. We're between these this right here, and we're between the supply zone. Are we gonna have a continuation for the longs? Or are we gonna just continue to hold this level and then maybe flop back down? We got the break of the high, but we didn't break this high. We're gonna see. This market is very interesting. See what we got on a 30 minutes, see, 30 minutes. 10 more minutes on that. Man, this market is tricky. Takes on a lot of brains too. I get really worn out with these volatile movements. Flavor on my wrist, flavor on my neck is crazy. What's up, Izzy? Man, that's crazy. You really hit me with that. Flavor on my neck, flavor on my wrist. Wow. Don't go looking for that song either. I'm done with them days. Some days are gone. No more rapping for me. Only rap I'm doing is spreading that gospel. That's the only rap. Also, going back to that. Since you in here, First Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 16. Always be joyful. Never stop praying. Please, always keep praying. Praise to the Lord every time, in every circumstance, in every situation. And that's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Appreciate the love and support. Been a supporter for a long time. Appreciate that. Been on that journey with us. Appreciate that. Flavor on my neck is crazy. I wasn't thinking about that song today. Wasn't even trying to think about this. Yeah, hey, did what I did, did what I could. Appreciate your support though. Real talk, much love. All right, we're getting that rejection. We're getting that rejection. Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. See if we can find another trade before I get off in this choppy market. 10 o'clock is approaching. We got on at 8:03, I think. So we pushing 2 hours. And you know my time is usually like 10 o'clock. So I don't like holding y'all up too long, you know. We are chopping around, so we're gonna see. We're chopping around, we're gonna see. In this choppy market. My kids are going crazy back there right now. I get them snacks, cookies, and juice just to like watch TV, watch Baldy Basics, and they still go crazy. I've been inspired by wife's workout videos, man. You're crazy. Okay, that's funny. Don't be, hey. Thank you for all that, but hey. Wait till I let her know you said all this in the chat, trying to distract me. Wait till I let her know. Trying to and don't go. Hey, you trying to get people. Let me go look it up and see. Let me go see how she look. Just wildin'. Are we dropping down? Will I take these shorts? Heck nah. Not the way this market just be flip-flopping. I mean, it looks good though. Don't get me wrong. It looks good. The market do look good. Shorts, it look good. But are we gonna continue short? I don't know. We're gonna see. I still got a couple more minutes before I get off, y'all. Couple more minutes before I get off. And just take what I got. Call it a day. Not the emoji, it's crazy. Volume is really, ooh, sellers are heavy right now. Ooh, sellers are big heavy right now, y'all. All right, let's see what we got. It's getting serious out here. It's getting serious. It's getting serious out here. Oh, it's a bloodbath. It's getting serious out here. Heavy sellers. 10,000. Oh my goodness. Question: should I get into these shorts? Yes, I have. Oh, I know Solana. Yes, I do. I haven't really been investing in crypto in a minute. Yeah. We be on that. I like talking about this stuff. I like talking about crypto and money. Love talking about money. And I also love talking about God. That's two. That's first. Always talking about God in that Bible, in that scripture. But I like talking about that money. Yes, I do. All right, here we go. We didn't close below on a 5-minute. Can we push back higher again? There we go. Look at the push. Let's see. Let's see. We're gonna see. Look at that. Look at that volume on the sales. We're gonna see if we're gonna hold this level. Did this resistance turn support? So we're gonna get that push. Dang, that push is crazy. Oh my goodness. 20 to 29 in no time. My goodness. We are not playing. We are not playing with them. This market is not playing right now. I was thinking about taking that long. I ain't gonna lie. We didn't get the close below. I was like, hey, a minute. Look at this. We didn't get the close. We didn't get the close right here. I was thinking about that long. I ain't gonna lie, but it took off so fast. I didn't want to get it to an overextension. Right here, pop. Look at that build. Look at that build across. It's coming. My slow mo gotta come in. See that? That's a strategy. Scalp. That's a scalping strategy you can take, right? You see the build across, close right here, big black candle, pause, no diddy on that, black candle, you know, extend it, and it couldn't break below. Instant long, instant rejection. Hold on, kids going crazy. I'll be right back. Talks amongst yourselves. Go check on them real quick. Gotta make sure they okay. I'm about to get off in a few though. Be right back. Watch that candle. Are we back? Ooh, look at them long. They push it in. Wow. Wow. Not playing with them. Let me try one. Let me gauge you with one. Let me gauge with one. Let me gauge with one. Oh no, we at half point 15 minute. Be careful right here. Half point on the 15 minute. Oh my goodness. Hold on, where we at? Where we at? Keep grinding, my brother, and don't give up hope because you are determined. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, Deontay. Thank you for that. Thank you for that advice. Be needing that. Sometimes, you know, sometimes when you in here, you know, you'll be like, I know all of the advice. I know all of the quotes. It gets exhausting telling yourself every day, do better, do good, cause you are the bigger judge. You the bigger judgment on yourself. So it's good to hear somebody else give you advice to keep you on your toes, even when you already know the advice. It's always good to be humble. Be humble, have humility, and even when you already know what it is, it's good to have that refresher in your ear saying, yeah, do this, do that. Because, you know, I might fall. I might go, man, I already know that. And then still attack myself with words in my head. It's easy to attack yourself, but once you got somebody else in your ear trying to tell you, been scalping, shaking my head up 400 though. Been scalping, shaking my head. You up 400, why you shaking your head? Why you shaking your head? You up 400. You doing good. Why you gotta shake your head? But that's what's up though. Scalping it, taking those little drops, jumping in, getting out. That's what's up though. That's what's up though. Me, I don't know. I know people was trying to go long right here, and that thing just went pew. But that was a good long right here though, for real. I didn't take it. I was too busy talking and yapping. But good job, Katara. Good job, good job, good job. Good job. Love seeing the results in the chat. She's doing her thing. Katara. Nice scalp though, if you caught that. It's hard out here for a pimp. It's hard out here for a pimp. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey, you see, I was struggling. Like I was drowning in this market. But hey, we doing it though. We good. We good. All right. So look, 5 minutes just closed. We got the hold up. Let me see. Hold on. I'm talking. I'm about to start yapping. 5 minutes just closed. I just want to see a continuation. Maybe get another black candle come back down, get a close, and then we can reject and go back up. We're gonna see. Unless we start printing right here and start pushing. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. This market has been hurting a lot of people right now. So all I know is I gotta be careful. It's Katara. Oh, wait. Katera. You said it right. Katera. So Katera. Okay. Make sure. Hey, I be remedial sometimes. I ain't gonna lie. I start reading the words and start saying it backwards. And like I'll be purposely messing up everything. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful with y'all names. I don't want y'all building on animosity. But I can't. Most people can't even say my name. I had look. Hey, I'm not even gonna lie. There was a day I was doing a delivery one day, right? I was doing a delivery. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna just be real with y'all. I was doing a what was a DoorDash delivery one day. One day I went up to the no. Actually, I'm lying. I'm lying. It wasn't a delivery. I'm lying. I was actually picking up some McDonald's. I went through the drive-thru. Had placed my order on a mobile, right? I said I'm picking up a mobile order for my number. My mobile order number is 4710X, whatever, right? 47AB, right? And she was like, the lady at the window was like, "What's your number again?" I said, "My number is 4447AB, right? Something like that." And she was like, "Queasy." I said, "Wow." Out of all the times my names has been messed up, this had been the crazy I've ever heard my name. I've heard K West, Quincy, I heard Quasi, but when she say Queasy, I couldn't believe it. I said, heck nah. Heck nah. Imagine he posts levels on Twitter. Not Adam Massini. I think I've heard of him. Adam Massini? I think so. Yeah, I think I know who you're talking about too. Yup. I think I've heard of him. I probably follow him. Hold up. Let me check. Names be hard, man. I had my name butchered so many times. My name been butchered probably a billion times. And it's Quasi. I don't see how people can't get that right. Oh yeah, Adam. Yes, sir. Katrina Katra. Crazy. Straight criminal. Straight butchering the name. That's what's up. I've seen his channel. I haven't followed him, but I've seen his stuff. Yeah, his price levels are. I think I've heard his price levels are really good. I've seen people put a list on people that was reliable, and I think I seen his name pop up one time. They got a lot of people out there really be doing their thing though. Them people out there really be doing it. I only been doing this for 3 years. Some of these dudes been doing it for 14, 10 plus years. It's like, wow, like really? You look like you're only 22. Like how you how? All right, so here we go. See if we can get another retracement, a close, and stay above that fair value gap on the 15. And see if we can have that push, especially on ES. ES is trying to push, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're still in this range though. We're gonna see. See how much time we got left. 15-minute closes in 5 minutes. See if we can push. Rejection. I think a rejection coming. Hey, but good job on getting that 400 though. Good job, good job. This market, see money, take money type of day for real. I don't know why, but I have a feeling that we're gonna have a big drop one day. One of these days, it's gonna be a huge, we're gonna have a red market. All right, 5 minutes just printed. About to get off in a few, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I might as well just take what I got and call it a day. Rejection at that 15 minute. I don't like going heavy. I ain't gonna lie. I could have went heavy on that trade, but when you go heavy one time, it be scared to go heavy. It be hard to go heavy again the next time. All right, so we doing good. We doing pretty good. I'm trying to see what we're gonna do right here. Are we continue to push this? Or are we gonna go jack right here? Big wick right here. Is my Apex account funded? And how do you feel about the straight to funded accounts? I like straight to funded. I like the straight to funded accounts. I like them. I think that's really the wave. It's the future. Oh, and it's a PA. A PA is a performance account, so it is funded. When you have an evaluation, it just says Apex. When you have a when you have a funded account, it says PA. Like Top Step might say Express. Apex says PA. And then you got Top One Futures. I like them. They're nice. Top One Futures been giving me some type of little trouble, so I've been leaving them alone. I've been leaving them alone. But other than that, I do like straight funded. I love straight funded. They are expensive. They're pricey. They are pricey. But hey, you know what's crazy? With straight to funded, you can get the straight to funded, but the thing is, you still gotta do them days. It's so crazy because if you was to do an evaluation and pass it, and then go to a straight up funded, like let's say you go to straight to funded, they still got so many stipulations. You got consistency rules. You gotta so you out of pocket, you're paying a lot more. You're paying at least like literally up in the 150s, 200s out the gate for the smallest account. You're paying top dollar for a funded account, right? You got consistency rules. They're very small. You gotta have a certain amount of trading days in certain accounts to even take a payout. For what I mean is, like, for example, is you got to take a certain amount of payouts to get unlimited. Like, there's always some type of rules to it. Like, you might be funded, but you still got to work out the rules. And that's the catch. It's like, it's not like Top Step. Top Step is so much easier. It's like, once you get funded, there's no consistency. There's no cap on how much you can make in a day. That's beautiful. Like, a lot of prop firms don't do that. Like, they might have straight to funded, but then at the same time, you still gotta have a consistency of 30%, 20%. That's annoying. That's kind of annoying, you know? Like, you can't make 15,000 one day, then the next day you can't make $20. Like, you really gotta really match those days within 20% or 30%, which is tough. Which is tough for a lot of funded accounts. But to me, I feel like they all the same in a way. They tricky. They're really tricky. The rules, they're meant to get you. But I don't know. I see a lot of them. I try trading a lot of them, and I've always stuck to Apex and Top Step. I like Tradeify a lot. I love Tradeify. I like their rules. Their rules are a lot easier and lenient to me. I like their growth accounts, you know. I like those. I like them. They're really good. It's just the rules. You gotta really look for the rules. Because they don't tell, like Apex and Top Step, they tell you the rules like straight up. But with them, you really gotta read between the lines. They might say, oh, you get payouts faster. You might don't have an intraday trailing drawdown. Like, that's cool enough, but I want to know what's the consistency rule. I want to know if there's limits to how much I can take out in a day. Oh yeah. Now for real, you're right. Live accounts, that's always the goal. Just get off the prop firms. Prop firms are really good. I'm gonna be honest with you. I have a lot of companies that try to reach out to me to get fun to do live brokerage accounts. Like, they want me to trade my money on their live brokerage accounts, and I'm like, man. But the thing is, it's the margin. If you're willing to trade the micros, do it. But you still need that margin. You still need at least $2,000 to $3,000. If you want to trade $100, trade a vape. But what's trading $100 on NQ or ES? Or gold? What's $100? I mean, you know, it's tough. You need that buffer. You need that extra margin to save you. So I did start off with 1,000. I even started off with a couple of thousands, and I've blown that. So it's tough. Live trading is tough because once you put yourself in the market, actually, once you really get into a live account and them executions get hit, whew, man, that's tough. So I do have a live account. I just don't trade it. I need my I'm trying to take more payouts out of these prop firms to add more to my live account, and then I'm gonna start trading my live account once I get to a certain amount. But I really want to go live though. I really do. I really want to go live. I want to stay live. I want to start doing live trading. But for the meantime, I'm gonna just keep on trading these prop firms until I get some crazy payout. Most of the payouts I took out was pay for bills and stuff. So and vacation and stuff, you know. As to how the market's been, it feel like, man, the market just been crazy. So me trying to find these great executions, it's been tough. You know, I might see quick scalps, but I'm not a scalper. I'm not really a scalper. I like seeing supply zones get taken out, demand zones get taken out, and following those trades. But a lot of people are good at scalping. Scalping is really not my strongest suit. I'm always was good at zones and technical analysis. Right? But yeah, I love live accounts. Love them. Love them. Your own money, your own risk, no rules, no setbacks, no trailing drawdown unless it's your full margin. That's what I like. But prop firms are cool too, but it really shows people that trade their live accounts. People that trade their live accounts, they gotta, man, you really gotta be A1. You really gotta know your game. But I'm thankful for prop firms because it's such a privilege to have something that give you the leverage to use, these accounts to help you trade without blowing too much money. You know what I'm saying? Because imagine everybody had a live account. Imagine before prop firms. Before prop firms, everybody would be probably blowing their live accounts, right? I also like watching, him on live, accounts. He makes 15,000 in 11 minutes on one trade with simple supply and demand. Yes. Boys good. They be trading for so long though. They good at what they do. They found their edge. I kind of found my edge. It's just a little, some days you might say, oh, my edge working, and some days it don't work. And it's like, oh man, how do I get out of this? And it's mostly just risk management. These boys are just good at, what, one other thing I've noticed? Them having a margin so high is giving them enough confidence to trade whatever condition, whatever it is. But with us, like say we trade a prop firm, they're giving us only 2,000 in drawdown. What is 2,000 compared to somebody that got 15,000 in margin, 20,000 in margin, 30,000 in margin, 100,000 in margin? They can play with that. They could lose 1,000, be like, okay, whatever. We lose 1,000 on our account. We're like, oh man, I'm stressing out. I'm freaking out because the margin is so low on a drawdown. If they would have never gave us a drawdown, everybody would be going crazy on these accounts. Everybody. But since we got drawdowns, it makes it trickier. But it helps. But that's what I like about it because it helps us without risk. That's why I like prop firms a lot because the risk is there. The risk management is there. If we didn't have prop firms, everybody would be blowing their accounts. All live accounts would be blown every day. But yeah, I want to be live because live is going to help me get away from this. I want to do both. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I want to keep both. I want to keep prop firm just in case they do evolve into something different. And I want to keep the live just in case something happens to prop firms where I can have my own accounts, my own brokerage account. Hey, I have a brokerage account that I want to work with too. I have a brokerage company that wants to work with me, and I want to work with them too. They're really cool. I really want to work with them though. But I gotta find my placement. I'm still trying to get things together though. They've reached out a lot, and I've been kind of putting them on hold, which is not good. I've been putting them on hold because I want to try. I don't want to promote them so much, and then not actually use their account. And that's what I'm afraid of, me not actually using them and just promoting them. So one of these days, I'm gonna get to a point where I'm in a live account and I'm gonna be using their accounts consistently. I do have a TraderVay account and I also have a Think and Swim account. I have those though, but there's another one called Edge Clear. I want to use them because I love their customization on their accounts. Well, other than that, y'all, look, this is it, man. It was a pleasure streaming with y'all. I'm happy that y'all even joined the stream. Thank y'all for even joining. I'm about to go ahead and start wrapping this up, y'all. For real, market is a little choppy, still choppy. Might have some movement later on, but it is what it is. I might just wait for. Nah, I'm gonna call it a day. But look, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up and give y'all this last scripture and get out of here. So we got Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. Remember this: you keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because you trust in the Lord. Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord himself is the eternal rock. He is the foundation of it all, right? So make sure that if you're looking for peace, no matter if you're going through hard times, no matter if you're going through a situation in your life, no matter if you got, no matter if you can't afford food, no matter if you don't want to go to work, no matter if your kids are screaming and hollering, no matter if whatever it is, have trust in the Lord, have faith in the Lord, and He will work it out for you. When you have a problem, put your thoughts on the Lord, right? Continue to have your mind on Him. If you have your mind on the stress, on the struggle, on the word. What happened to Peter when he told him to walk out on a boat, right? When Jesus was walking on water, right? When Jesus was walking on water and he told Peter, come out off the boat, walk on the water. What happened? Peter was walking on the water, right? And what happened to Peter? He started to doubt. He started to worry. And what happened? He started to drown. So when he started to drown, he was like, help me, Jesus, help me. Help me. I need you to pick me up. I'm drowning. And Jesus like, oh, Peter, you were little faith. Only if you have had faith in me, you wouldn't have had drowned. He said, Jesus told us to have faith as small as a mustard seed. Why? A mustard seed is the smallest seed, but it becomes the biggest tree. Literally, the smallest seed becomes the biggest tree, right? Jesus wants to have faith in Him. He wants to trust in Him because He's here. He's with us. He gives us free will to think on our own, to feel on our own, to believe on our own. But He's never leaving our side. He's right with us right now. And when we put our thoughts and our trust on Him, He's going to pick us up out of that storm, out of that water. He says that the fire is going to come over you, but it's never going to blaze you. The water's going to overflow, but it's not going to overtake you because I am He, right? We trust in the Lord. He's going to protect us. He's going to guide us. He's going to give us love and peace. So keep our mind steadfast on Him. He is perfect peace. All right. And also another thing, what we need to do is 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 16. Always be joyful. No matter if we're stressed out, even for myself, I gotta be joyful. Even if I'm going through hard times, even when I'm stressing out, even when I'm tested with trials and tribulations in my life, whether that's just any type of trials I might go through. If I'm tested with sin, always be joyful and never stop praying. If we continue to have continual prayer with the Lord, He's going to bless us. He's going to bless us with receiving the gift. He's going to bless us with spiritual gifts, right? Whether that gift is peace, love, understanding, wisdom, discernment, knowledge, right? Rest, whatever it is, He's going to bless us if we continue to pray to Him. Never stop praying and be thankful in all things and be joyful. God bless y'all. That's it. And I'll see y'all in the next stream. Have a good day.